Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Schneider contactor model and coil voltage so you wire the right terminals. This prevents coil burnout. Next, isolate and lock out the circuit, then use a voltage tester to verify 0 volts. Safety first. Mount the contactor on DIN rail or panel, assuring screw torque spec and enough clearance. Once done, route supply conductors neatly, stripping insulation to recommended length and tinning if specified. Make the first line-side connections to L1, L2, L3 using the correct lug size. Now wire the control circuit. Connect the coil to A1 and A2, observing polarity for DC coils. This ensures the contactor will actuate reliably. Then complete the load side. Transfer conductors from T1, T2, T3 to the motor or downstream load, tightening to spec so connections don't heat. Integrate the thermal overload or motor protection relay between contactor and motor, and add any interlock or auxiliary contacts per your control diagram. Once done, neatly route control wiring away from finish by testing. With the load disconnected, energize the coil momentarily and observe contact movement. This confirms mechanical operation. Use a multimeter to verify coil voltage and continuity across contacts under de-energized and energized states. Listen for humming or chattering, which indicates undervoltage or loose connections. If something goes wrong, de-energize and recheck terminal torque, correct coil voltage, and auxiliary contact wiring. Once resolved, restore load and run a monitored start to confirm normal operation and no excessive heating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.